the AR-15 bolt carrier group. Before disassembly, let's look at your bolt carrier group's major components. The bolt carrier: bolt, extractor, firing pin, cam pin, and firing pin retainer. To disassemble your bolt carrier group, begin by removing the firing pin retainer. Turn the bolt carrier so that the firing pin can fall into the palm of your hand. Push the bolt into the carrier, then rotate the cam pin 90 degrees and remove. Now remove the bolt from the front of the carrier. This basic disassembly is sufficient for most AR users to do weapon maintenance. For extractor removal, apply pressure with your thumb to the rear of the extractor behind the extractor pin, while simultaneously using your pin punch to push out the extractor pin. Now that your bolt carrier group is disassembled, let's take a more in-depth look at the components and begin reassembly. Starting with the bolt, we have the gas rings, which provide a seal inside the carrier. The extractor, which grips the case head. The ejector, which pushes the case out the ejection port once it's been extracted. And finally, the bolt lugs, which interface with the lugs in the barrel extension to lock the bolt into battery. On top of the carrier is the gas key, which interfaces with the gas tube when the rifle is completely assembled. When firing, this allows gas to flow from the tube down into the carrier, which unlocks the bolt. To begin reassembly, insert the bolt back into the carrier. Rotate the bolt so that the cam pin hole is visible on the left side of the gas key, ensuring the extractor is on the right side of the gas key. Next, insert the cam pin into the carrier. Pull the bolt forward and rotate the cam pin 90 degrees. You can now drop the firing pin into place and complete your reassembly by inserting the firing pin retainer.